stupid healer. How can I out DPS heals?
Holy or nature?
Holy. But I can't out DPS it still. Pretty sure.
Just gotta keep interrupting.
Maybe.
What's the other guy? Oh, he's a crossbow
yeah,
heavy.
Oh, mana's deficit. Actually, he has less mana.
Yeah, as long as you can keep the 3 stacks up on your hot and not have to like spam the 3 back to back to get it back up, you should be good. Because I don't think the crossbow probably doesn't do much damage with the heavy.
Oh, he's back to full. Oh, my hot's fell out.
Where are you fighting?
Slade, all the way east.
Oh, he's running out of mana.
Yeah, if you're making spammy zeals, he's gonna run out faster than you because they cost a lot more.
Well, regular?
Yasuki is fighting a holy and a crossbow.
Oh. Swarm nutrition.
It's DFO.
Yusuke himself is gonna get the fucking nature staff nerfed.